Mayor, Council, my name's Trish Stieglitz. I'm here to discuss the MOU, which was presented along with the budget, or lack of budget, if you will. As a development and construction manager for a large sports resort company, I have a lot of experience with both demolition, remediation, contaminated soils, underground storage tank removal, and as a matter of fact, Taylor Excavating, who is in the packet here, has worked on projects I've worked on before. So when I read the actual two-page proposal to demo the contract, to demo the building, the second page was more interesting than the first page. The second page excluded a lot of items that must be included in the work. The exclusions probably cost more than what the total contract for Taylor Excavating is. In addition to that, I did submit via email a budget, and most of the line items on it in yellow haven't been even looked at.
And Trish, we need to wrap up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, the